Unraveling the phrase, stick in one's craw. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English expression that might have puzzled many of you. Stick in one's craw. This phrase is a vivid example of how colorful and expressive the English language can be. If you've ever encountered this expression and wondered what it means or how to use it, you're in the right place. The phrase, stick in one's craw, refers to something that is hard to swallow or accept. Originally, craw is a term that describes the throat or crop of a bird, where food is stored before digestion. Metaphorically, when something sticks in your craw, it means an idea, situation, or issue is difficult to accept or digest mentally. It's usually used in contexts where someone feels annoyed, irritated, or particularly bothered by something they cannot easily let go of. Understanding where a phrase comes from can often help us grasp its meaning more deeply. The phrase, stick in one's craw, has its roots in nature, specifically in the way birds eat and digest their food. Birds, lacking teeth, swallow stones or grit to help grind down food in their craw. If something gets stuck, the bird has trouble moving it down to the stomach for digestion. This imagery of discomfort and obstruction is where the metaphorical use of the phrase in the English language comes from, emphasizing an inability to move past or accept something mentally. Now that we understand what it means and where it comes from, let's look at how to use stick in one's craw in conversation or writing. This phrase is perfect for expressing personal grievances or discontent in a colorful and somewhat informal way. Here are a few examples. It really sticks in my craw that he was promoted over me, despite my seniority and dedication. The way they ignored her contributions during the meeting stuck in her craw for weeks. He can forgive many things, but deceit is something that will always stick in his craw. If you're looking to expand your expressive range in English, there are several other phrases with meanings similar to stick in one's craw. Some of these include hard to swallow, rub the wrong way, and leave a bad taste in one's mouth. Each of these expressions can convey feelings of discomfort, dissatisfaction, or difficulty in accepting something, though they each have their own unique nuances and contexts of use. We hope this video has clarified the meaning and usage of stick in one's craw for you. English is full of vivid expressions that can add color and precision to our expressions of emotion and thought. Remember, the more you practice and experiment with these phrases, the more naturally they'll come to you in conversation. Thank you for watching, and we hope this lesson has been both informative and enjoyable. Happy learning!